Hello, welcome to Composition Academy. Today, we're going to learn how to write a hot introductory paragraph. Content for this lesson will include what is the purpose of the introductory paragraph and what does hot stand for. We'll go over an example of how to write a hot introductory paragraph before wrapping up with some tips on making your introduction even hotter. What is the purpose of the introductory paragraph? The purpose of the introductory paragraph is to introduce your essay. This is the very first paragraph your audience will read. It is here that your reader will determine if she wants to continue reading or if she'll put your essay down and do something better with her time. Therefore, you'll want to make sure that your introduction is interesting enough to keep her engaged. In order for her to remain engaged, she'll need to know what it is that she'll be reading. If she reads your entire introductory paragraph and still has no idea of what you're talking about, then she may begin to think that you don't know what you're talking about. So your introduction should let the reader know what your essay is all about. And that's the basic purpose of your introductory essay. Let your audience know what your essay is about and make them want to continue reading. If you can do those two things in the beginning, you're off to a great start. What does HOT stand for?